So, just a question from my side, that how are you feeling about the course? Is it helping you? Is it like giving you some sort of confidence or not? How is the answer writing helping? So, just a feedback I want from you.
Ma'am, to be very honest, I'm far more satisfied with the course. To be very honest, genuinely, like the faith I had in you while I texted you also that while I saw your current affairs videos. So from there only I had this thing that when while you started this course, so I was like I had no an iota of doubt also that in my mind that I should go with it or not. I was like, Mayuri ma'am is organizing it, I have to do it, and someday or the other I had to take this. And so that is why. And this approach of yours, that feedback and answer writing, peer review, so all these things make up it more, like it is more interesting to enroll and to engage in answer writing. Like every day I have this thing that yes, ma'am is checking or the other person is reviewing, so I have this accountability in myself also that I have to write, because if you are putting your hard work, then even we have to as students put in that effort. And the way you summarize everything, you give examples, and the way you explain things, it's quite like I'm very comfortable, very comfortable.
Okay. So, finally, it is giving you some sort of confidence, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Like every day, it's molding me into that proper pot one sees of.
Okay.
So I have this a good potter with me.